If you've lost access to your Snapchat account and cannot use your email to recover it, there are still ways to regain access. Follow these steps to recover your account. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app. Launch the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure you have the latest version installed to avoid any issues during the recovery process. Step 2. Tap on Forgot Password. On the login screen, enter your username or phone number associated with your account. Then tap on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. Step 3. Choose Recovery Method. You will be prompted to select a recovery method. Since you cannot use your email, choose the option to receive a verification code via SMS to your registered phone number. Step 4. Enter verification code. Check your phone for the SMS containing the verification code. Enter this code in the app when prompted to verify your identity. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is confirmed, you will be allowed to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it to complete the recovery process. After following these steps, you should be able to access your Snapchat account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Snapchat support for further assistance.